Hey everyone! Today, I've got a quick and handy trick for you. I'll show you how to create a transparent background using Gimp. So, let's dive right in. Okay. First things first. Open Gimp in your PC. And make sure you've got your image open in Gimp. Now, head over to the Layers section, which is located at the right bottom side of the screen. Right-click on your image. When you click, a menu will appear. In the menu, select Add Alpha Channel, which is usually bottom of the menu. This is crucial because it enables transparency in our image. With that done, now, look to the top left corner of the screen, and you will see a magical stick. Click on the stick. Now, let's use it to select the background we want to make transparent. In my case, it is white background. Just click on the white background, and you'll see the marching ants around it. Now, hit the delete key. If there is any part of the background left, click on it again and then click on delete. All of it will be removed. Poof! The background is gone. Now, if you want to save the transparency of the image, click on the File tab at the top left corner. When you click on it, you will see multiple options. In the options, click on the Exports As. Now, select your favorite file type. I preferable PNG, which supports transparency. When you select PNG, click on the Export, and then click on the Export. And there you have it. Export your image. And now, when you will open the image, you'll see that the background is still transparent. You can use this technique for any image. Just cut out the object, delete the background, and you're good to go. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.